Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have yet to watch my first Philippines vlog on how we went from Singapore to Oslob in 10 hours, click on the link in the description box below. In this vlog, follow me as I experience one of my first time in Philippines as well as one of the main highlights of this trip, swimming with the whale sharks. This whale shark watching activity typically starts at 6 AM in the morning. If you read all the guidebooks as well as the online guides, they will tell you to go as early as possible because the crowd tends to pick up in the late morning as well as in the afternoon. This is one of the reasons why we chose to stay in a hostel nearby and also to wake up early for this activity. Good morning!
Ready to go. 5:45.
Yo, oh my god, 我的眼是肿到。Everybody is ready. We are ready to go and see whale sharks. Swim with the whale sharks. I'm leaving my phone here. I'm not going to bring it.
没有下雨了吧？昨天晚上下大雨。
Confirm right?
上次啊。
This is our hostel.
Whale Shack Hostel.
It's 2 stories, but the reset counter is here. And our room is just next to the reset counter here. This is the hostel from the outside. Looks very tropical, very colorful walls and rooms. Seems that we are the only ones in this whole hostel. So funny. This is not tour season. Oh no, 看起来好憔悴。Where's my mask? Oh shit, it's inside the drawer.
我就跟他讲，有什么好夹碎的？
我没有夹碎的，我是懒得起来，我在赖床。
Korean.
So, we are not supposed to put sunblock or sunscreen because it's bad for the whale sharks. No thanks. Which is why I look so tired. But the sun's pretty good today, although I think it rained very heavily last night. So bright. So bright at 6 AM. I think I'm supposed to buy tickets here.
As we have there seen how many monitoring visual operation.
We went swimming with the whale sharks on the 24th of June, and I believe it was a low tourist season because instead of 1,000 pesos, we were only charged 500 pesos for our ticket. And this ticket actually entitles you to a life jacket as well as a snorkel mask on loan, and also the boat ride out to the sea as well as back to shore. So once you're out in the sea, you are given about 30 minutes to swim and also to observe the whale sharks in the ocean. So these are the general guidelines. Once you get to the ticketing booth, you purchase a ticket and you sit through a quick 5 minutes briefing or so, which is a safety briefing for your safety as well as for the whale shark safety. There are certain rules that you have to abide by, and one of the rules is that you are not supposed to touch the whale sharks at any point of time. Also, if you are to swim with the whale sharks, you have to keep a safety distance of about 3 to 5 meters from the whale shark. For the ladies out there who actually use sunscreen and sunblock, one of the things to note is that you are not supposed to use sunscreen or sunblock before entering the water. If you have already put them onto your skin or to your body, they'll remind you to go to the public toilets nearby to wash them off. This is because sunscreen and sunblock is poisonous to the whale shark, and that's why you're not supposed to put them on yourself before interacting with them.
Good morning. Welcome to Barangay Tanawan, Oslob, Cebu.
Okay,
Walk out. We have our life vests on. Those are the boats we'll be sitting, although I don't know how to get out of the boat later.
哎，拍一张照这个嘞，可能他会收的。
This is what?
The receipt.
Can I go here?
Yep, got it. Thanks.
可以坐下来，坐下来。
有没有觉得像有点像在被救的感觉？
我觉得很像那种 illegal immigrant。Oh, Hi.
Hi guys.
We are going. Oh my gosh.
Hey, the water is very clear.
Oh, we are off.
Alright, let's go.
So once you're on board the boat guide will actually row you out to the sea. You, as well as 7 other boats, will be in this semicircle formation. In the middle of this semicircle formation, there is a local guy on his own little boat to throw out food to the whale sharks to entice them to come near. I believe the food consists of like little shrimps and fishes, which is the diet of the whale sharks. Once you're anchored there, your boat guide will then tell you that okay, it's time for you to get down. You are given a choice to stay on the boat and observe from where you are, or you can also go into the water to swim with the whale sharks. And after 30 minutes, they will then call you back up to the boat and row you back to shore.
What's your first thoughts? First thoughts.
No, first thought. Very scary.
First thoughts.
Really so near. Oh my god.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
I don't think that I got time for shit when no one's hitting on my line. I've been waiting for this all day. Homie said that he gon' slide. I got a shawty and she right with me, but she working overtime, you see. I've been spending all day thinking about you and how we gon' make it out, baby, come through. I'ma keep it real and you know that. Sometimes I wanna feel, wanna go back. I pop me a pill, wanna slow down. Dreams ain't get you meals, let it go now. I'm a simple guy and I got simple demands. So how the times change, will the world give me a chance? I don't know. That's how the wind blow. Don't go. We gotta make it la 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 la. I don't think that I got time for shit when no one's hitting on my line. I've been waiting for this all day. Homie said that he gon' slide. I got a shawty and she right with me, but she working overtime, you see. I've been spending all day thinking about you and how we gon' make it out, baby, come through. You know that I'm grateful that I got me a home, yeah. In the heart of a shawty, you hold me down, yeah. Life will hit you when you out there on your own, yeah. Take a picture cause it never lasts long. If I had to read you, I wouldn't change a thing, yeah. Gotta see it through, it ain't all about the blame. You know everybody hurts, shit can make your heart sting, but know that we gon' make it if we stick with our team, yeah. I don't think that I got time for shit when no one's hitting on my line. I've been waiting for this all day. Homie said that he gon' slide. I got a shawty and she right with me, but she working overtime, you see. I've been spending all
你们的感想是如何？
很晕，yeah, 很晕霞，
But
很咸。
Yeah, I felt like I was just being thrown around. But very near. At some parts I was a bit scared because I didn't know it was around me. Then I just put my head down. Then the face is like next to me. Then I got a shock.
then the face was like,
Yeah, the mouth is. I just take photos. I just take videos. Yeah, very close contact, very good.
have fun, have fun.
Yes, I think it's quite fun. Yeah.
Okay, good job.
I would describe my experience as very surreal because this has been something I've been wanting to do for the longest of time. It was also nerve-wracking because these gentle giants do not seem to fear human beings, and there are many occasions whereby they will just swim past me or under me without my knowledge. You usually do not know that they are there unless you put your head down into the water to look at them, and their fins will have grazed or touched me, and it was very nerve-wracking but very exciting and happy experience overall. We returned to the hostel to wash up after the morning activity, but because we had some time left after washing up, Elwina and I actually went to explore the area again, and we saw a group of local guys who had just finished grilling their lechon. We found out that they spent 10 hours grilling the pig, and they were really proud of their work. They actually encouraged us to go nearer to take as many photos as we want of the lechon. Wow! Sexy bag!
OK， 你可以 video 了。
This way to whale shark watching. Whale shark.
This way.
Tour guide Elwina will bring us around. Wow.
Look at that.
Wow.
那个好 over 很多，很香耶。
That lechon. Oh gosh, that's the whole pig.
进去 ，Oh my god！ 哇，整只哎！哇，你听到那个 crispy 的声音吗？我听到嘞，的声音。哇哦！这只金鱼就几岁
Oh my god. I know. Wow, very hot.
可能very hot 咯。你没有看它的脸，你看它的猪脸。
Wow.
Look at the face. Oh, you look at the beach. There. Turn the camera.
We were here just now. Eh, 这位小姐，请问你在忙什么？
拍了，我在拍，不要这样近距离。我的面容。
So we are by the road.
Waiting to call a jeepney.
So jeepney is like one of their modes of public transport that you have to flag down, hop on and pay a certain price per person.
I go and call that one in red.
Walk down.